Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce the lab we're going to do next class, which has to do with measuring the amount of work that an outside force like friction does on a sliding block. So I've got one of our tracks attached to the end of the pulley. I have a block here with felt on it, so there's definitely going to be friction between the block and the ramp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a mass to the end of the string, let the mass go, and so the block is going to move along the track, of course. Of course, we assume that there's going to be friction here because this is not wheels, this is not a grease track. We think that there will be some friction. So I put a motion sensor at the end. The motion sensor will tell us the position and velocity of the block at any two times, say this time and this time. And then by finding the kinetic energy and the potential energy at the initial and final points, we can determine how much energy was lost due to friction, and that must be equal to the work done by friction due to the work energy theory. So let me just show you what this is going to look like. I'm going to hang a 50-gram mass off the end. And we have to be a little careful with alignment. That's going to be the major source of error in this lab. We've got to make sure that the motion sensor is aligned with the block, makes a straight line down to the pulley, and we want to make sure this rope is as level as possible. We're not going to talk about it, but there can be some additional forces which can come if the rope is not level with the track, and so we don't want to worry about those. We want to make it as level as possible. So once we do that, let go of the block, it moves along, and then by using Logger Pro in the computer, we can analyze the motion and figure out the change in the energy, which must be due to friction, so we can determine the amount of work that friction does in the system. Should be a pretty straightforward lab, shouldn't take us the entire period, but you just have to be ready to go as soon as you get to class. Great, thank you. So I'll see you then, and thank you for watching the video.